Hey guys, it's me, the Natural Cole, and I'm going to show you how to make really fresh almond milk. It's really simple, it's quick, and I actually learned how to make this from my good friend Alexandria. She has a video out there showing how to make walnut milk, but I prefer almond milk. But I will be sure to share her video down below in the description box just in case you are interested in making walnut milk. Now, to make almond milk, you only need a few simple ingredients. The first thing you'll need to do is soak your almonds overnight, at least 8 to 24 hours. These have been soaking for about a few days now because I forgot to make this the other day. But I'm going to show you how I'm going to rinse this water off, and we're just going to use the almonds. We're not going to use this cloudy water. We don't want to use that in our almond milk. Now, to make your almond milk sweet, I'm going to use dates. Some people like to use vanilla extract or cinnamon or honey, and I've tried that before, but I really wasn't a fan of it. I really like using dates. You will need most definitely some water, and this is my filtered water. You're going to need a container to store your almond milk in, and this is just a little container I picked up from IKEA. I think it's about 16 or 17 ounces, and it was $1.99. So I'm going to make about 16 ounces of almond milk, and you will need a nut milk bag. Anytime you're going to make almond milk, you're going to need a nut milk bag, and I got this from Amazon. They were on sale, and I actually picked up 2 of these, ordered 2 of these. So you'll need to make sure you get a nut milk bag to strain the pulp, and I'll be using my Vitamix. So we're going to go ahead and get started, and I'm going to use this little guy right here to drain my almonds. So I have rinsed the water off of my almonds. I'm just going to go ahead and dump these in my Vitamix. And I'm going to use about 4 fresh pitted dates. I picked these up at Kroger. You can find dates practically anywhere. I'm going to dump these in here. And I'm going to now measure my water. And like I said, this measuring cup is 2 cups. It's actually 16 ounces, but I'm going to use just a little bit more than 16. Yeah, so that's enough. And I'm going to go ahead and pour my water in there, and that's it. So I'm just going to step over to the side here and blend my ingredients up, and then I'm going to come back and show you how I'm going to strain them, okay? It's really simple. Be right back. Okay, guys, I have finished blending the almonds, the water, and the dates together. I'm just going to take this lid off right here. And I'm going to show you the consistency of it. You can see that it's really rich and it's really creamy. And what we want to do next, we have to strain this, because if you try to drink it like this, you're going to get all that pulp, and you don't want that pulp in your milk. So to do that, I have my bowl here with my milk bag. And all we're going to do, we're just going to pour the milk into the milk bag just like this. And I'm telling you guys, this looks amazing. I love creamy, thick almond milk. Okay? So once that's in there, then what you're going to do, you're going to pull the string on this bag like this. And you're just going to squeeze the milk out. And let me see if I can get a close-up for you guys. See the milk? It's coming out. Let me see if I can get a close-up. And that's all you do. You're just going to continue. I like calling this milking. And you're just going to continue this until all the milk is out. See how easy and simple this is? I mean, it's so easy, and it's better for you than the milk that you buy off the shelf. You know, you can buy the almond milk that's on the shelf, or you can buy the almond milk that is in the refrigerated section. But if you turn around and read the back of those labels, you'll see the ingredients that's in it. I mean, it's just too many ingredients for it to be a healthy item, you know, a healthy food item. But I know they put all those ingredients in it so the milk will last longer. Now this milk will last me about a week, and usually when I make almond milk, I only make enough for whatever I'm going to use it for. Like for breakfast today and tomorrow, it may be Saturday if I have enough. I've been craving smoothies, so I'm going to use this to make me a few smoothies for breakfast, and this will be enough. Now, if I was going to use my almond milk to make like my acai bowl that I like to make, I would have made about a 32 ounces of almond milk, but I didn't want to make that much this time. So, as you can see here, I'm still squeezing. You want to make sure you squeeze it really hard and get all of the milk out. I'm going to get all of the milk out. And yeah, I think about done. And you'll notice once you've finished straining the milk, you have what I consider almond pulp. Let me see if I can show you a little bit. This almond pulp right here, and you can actually cook with this. What I'm going to do is spread this out on a baking sheet and just let it dry out, because I think over the weekend I may make me a turkey meatloaf, and so I'm going to use this as my breadcrumbs. You know, instead of buying the breadcrumbs, I'm just going to repurpose this almond pulp. So let's get a good look at our almond milk. Look at this. You see that? You see if I can show you. I don't want to waste it. But we've got a really nice batch of almond milk. Quick and simple. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to store it in my container here. And I like using this bowl because it has this little spout on here where I can pour it in. And hopefully, you know what? I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use my measuring cup and pour it in here. You see how creamy? Wait, let me show you here. You see how creamy that milk is? And then I'm going to transfer it to my container. Look at how creamy this almond milk is. I mean, do you see how quickly I made this milk? I mean, there's no need to buy almond milk. I mean, it really isn't. When you can just get some fresh almonds. Those were raw almonds. I picked those up in the bulk section at Whole Foods. Kroger also has them. But look how creamy and delicious that looks. And it's a lot healthier for you. You know, it's only 3 ingredients in this almond milk. It looks like I made a little bit more than 16 ounces. But that is absolutely okay. And we're just going to go ahead and fill this up. And I'll use the remaining portion to make a smoothie this morning. But look at this. Now you have a fresh bottle of almond milk. I mean, this, you can't beat this. This is nutritious, it's healthy, and you know what's exactly in your milk. Okay, so I hope that was helpful, guys. If you have any questions about this almond milk, just let me know. If you decide to make it, leave me a comment. Come back in the comments, leave a comment. Let me know that you made a batch of almond milk, and let me know if you use dates or if you use honey, or maybe you use the vanilla extract or cinnamon. Just let me know. So I hope this information, well, this video was helpful. And one thing, like I said in my last cooking video, I really want to focus on healthy hair from the inside out, and it's all about what we put in our bodies. And we know that almonds have a lot of benefits for the hair from the inside out. So ladies, this is the Natural Cole, and I'll see you next time. Peace.